Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix keeps not up. You will go to settings. In this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about keep notes. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that you can click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about keep notes here and then you can update your app as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.